This year, blessing, money, testimony. Go to follow you they go. This year, good news, giant plenty. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. We start the week with heavy rains and hail, and that's a blessing, really. Of course, hail is destructive, but yeah, we start the week with rains, and that's beautiful. Thank God for rain. And yeah, obviously, our weekly shopping in my family, we do meal planning and weekly shopping, which is something that we recently started, but it's such a game changer for our finances and just our structure. You know, we look forward to that. It's family time as well. So, yeah, welcome to a new vlog. So another exciting thing that happened this week is we styled our bedroom. Thank goodness for our bonuses that our company paid. Sorry about that, guys. The joys of using your phone for content creation. Anyway, that was my good friend Jabu, and yeah, she was just checking on me after a very rough night last night. Anyway, so yeah, I was sharing that we tried to style our bedroom. These are some of the things that I'm seeing as consequences of therapy, just paying attention to my physical space. And these are things that I have never really paid attention to when I was just on the hustle and bustle of life. So I'm starting to just notice that my surroundings were not things I was paying, or it was not something I was paying attention to. And yeah, on Tuesday I did that. I changed my bed, changed our bedroom, the look, the feel, and yeah, I'm starting to be happier, and I'm starting to notice that my life, or rather our life with my husband, is improving because of the small things that we didn't pay attention to previously. And yeah, if you are on my social media, you've seen me talk about this product that I use also as a way to just maintain balance and sleep well at night. Do check it out on our social media pages. Hi guys, you already know the smile and the tone. Today is Wednesday and I'm sitting here at the car park. I don't know, the car is still on. I'm sitting here at the car park waiting for Mahabir to come because today we are buying a washing machine after so many years of struggling with the laundry. I'm super excited that it's finally happening, so I'm going to take you with so that you see. But we also got paid at Inuka, our quarterly bonuses, which was an early pay. Really, we were expecting the pay to come, I think, next week or so, in 2 weeks time, but it came early, and I'm super excited to be finally buying this because it's something that I really wanted to make my life easier, and yeah, just as a reward as well, you know, because yeah, excuse me, I work so hard to wash clothes on car. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Busi, and this is the family. This is where we share all things personal development, lifestyle, and all the in-betweens of living a full and balanced life, if I were to put it. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and leave a comment. And yeah, welcome to the family. How guys, the dam is finally here. Yes. And the biggest argument is, are we going front loader or top loader? It's always the case, okay, when we buy new things. But we had initially wanted Jangan saya gong nama pros and cons. Why yung ang lalel? Minating avoid in nen. Avoid say anyal. Sivangat right include. Next thing the finance saying is because you know it's no longer working for us.
What is it?
Maybe we're now moving into a smaller house that doesn't have space. Listen, top load. We're born. That's why I was waiting for you to come. Guys, that's my new washing machine, okay? You happiness of the nanny. Oh my goodness. Listen, girl. Listen. Ang kabang-gawa siya niya. Kans is hindi natin siya bilang ba siya. Ang kabang. Ang kabang ko sa siya siya niya. Retik ko, gilit lang timen. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm confirming good thing you almost. Okay. Guys, this is nice. It's a washing machine that is like a Range Rover. Girl, 7-0, okay. And then there's me taking content because why not? So guys, we are done after so many arguments, deliberations. We finally got what we're looking for, which is our 10 kg front loader. Something that I wanted, but I was also just skeptical because my husband had initially suggested the top loader mainly because of the capacity, but I also want something nice, something that won't take so much space and something that is going to just allow me to do what I want to do in terms of, you know, setting up. And yeah, anyway, I'm just super excited and even more grateful to God for this business that allows us to dream and pursue our dreams and yeah, make them a reality outside the system that says you must pay for things with debt or, you know, buy and hire purchase. We're able to just do things differently and yeah, achieve our goals and be happy. Thank you so much guys for coming to my vlog. Ooh. Right. Hi guys. So I'm currently reading this book by Oprah. It's a book that I'm really trying to finish because I started it a while back, but I've just been distracted every time I try to read. So I'm reading this book by Oprah and Dr. Perry, talking about healing, resilience, and trauma. So basically here it's just an interview. It's just an interview where Oprah is interviewing Dr. Perry about, certain topics on trauma. And, these are just conversations that this expert on psychology and mental health and brain development is sharing different scenarios or different case studies that he's dealt with of people that went through traumatic experiences in their childhood and how that turned to affect them. I think I just love it so much because it's not just a medical book, but it's a book that shows you how the things that are now appearing in your adulthood, or the things that are now showing in your adulthood, actually a result of the things that you went through growing up. So the title of the book is What Happened to You, which means instead of asking what is wrong with you whenever we deal with someone who has experienced trauma and situations that would have caused them to be a certain way, we ask what happened to you, because then we realize that there's a reason why the person is acting this way. I'm actually reading this particular chapter, which is titled From Coping to Healing, and they talk about a certain young mother who couldn't take care of her child, who then abandoned the child to the grandmother because she couldn't do it. And so I'll just read this particular portion for you to reflect on. It says, I started to wonder about James as an infant. So the child is James. So I started to wonder about James as an infant, a young, inexperienced mother struggling with depression, overwhelmed by the non-stop needs of a baby. Maybe his mother had some relational or attachment issues. What had happened to her? What had happened to her? You can't give what you don't have. And this is my highlight for today. That growing up, we're exposed to different things, as children and all those things. And these are some of the things that shape how we view the world. And now, maybe 30, 20, 25 years later, you then start to be a parent yourself, and now you are expected to just immediately know how to raise this child or immediately know how to relate with them. Yet you yourself, had a lot of questions growing up that were not answered. You had a lot of trauma that was not dealt with. You didn't heal from the things that affected you as a child, and now you are expected to raise a child as an adult, a child that is supposed to thrive in the world, a child that is supposed to be a greater contribution to the society, but you don't know how to because you were not taught. Society just expects us to wing it. It's yet another busy week in our business. This week we had the BOGO special, which is the buy one get one free special. So we had lots and lots of stock to receive for the team, and it's just a moment of gratitude for me when I see business grow and when I see people just supporting us and buying our products. To my customers who are watching, thank you. It's Friday when it's date night. I'm so excited that the week is finally over and I get to spend time with Indoida because it's a must, okay? So this time around we decided to just take it out of the house, and we had our meal at the Lifestyle. And we loved this. Hubby had a good steak. As always, he loves his steak. And I always just choose my curries. Curries are safe. I love curries. And also because I can't really eat meat like that because of my dental situation. So we had a good time. We were able to catch up and just, spend time together. Hey guys, so I'm showing you what I'm wearing today. Love this dress. Wear it this way because I just love the turtleneck. And I just love to be warm. Today is a warmish day, but it's a bit of wind, so that's why. So this is what I'm wearing. Saying I wanted us to, I don't know what we can put in there that we only have fragrance as much as yes, just to cover the other personal care products, maybe in just the about, I don't know. Yeah, but in a doesn't believe past and the past fragrance to convey your identity, forge connections, and trigger memories is a measure David assisting in finding the ideal sense that complements your sense of style and individuality. Okay. Yeah, the other personal care products, yeah, it's nang. So I also want us to talk about, we are saying we're Inuka Eswatini, and then about Inuka fragrance. How can then we approach that? Do we want to? So that was the meeting I was having with my web designer, and I am just so proud of the team that I have, including him, because we really start out these businesses doing everything, but over time you realize that to be able to grow and to be able to do well in the area that you are good at, you need to delegate certain tasks. And this is one of the things that was in my vision board this year, to say I want to have a team of people that I can work with that are experts at what they do, and they can execute the work for me in a way that moves the brand forward. So yeah, I'm so happy. This is one of the things that was able to squeeze into my weekly business activities. And yeah, of course it's hard running a shop, really, because there's a whole lot of people working in. But yeah, I was able to squeeze in this meeting just after the working hours, and yeah, it was a very productive one. Excitement is palpable in the air. We are super excited to be at the wine store right here, hosted by the Wine Boutique at Royal Villas Eswatini. So yeah, we are at Gunya Wines to try their latest collection of wines. Jabu, please let us know what Gunya Wines is about.
Collective.
What does Gunya mean?
It means collective. So Gunya Wines has two wines. It has the Syrah, which is the red wine, and it also has the Chenin, which is the white wine. This one.
Oopsie. Okay.
So the Chenin is sourced from Swartland in the Western Cape, and the red wine. The Syrah is from Harley, in Western Cape as well. So it's a very interesting story about how Gunya started. A group of 5 friends came together and decided to craft a wine that is not cheap, a enjoy, whether in the comfort of their homes or in a restaurant, in a picnic, or just anywhere they want to have a glass of wine. So yeah, that's the story behind Unyo Wines.
Okay.
And it also has a very beautiful artwork, as you can see.
What does the artwork tell us? What is the story behind?
Oh my gosh, the artwork.
I can see the colors. It's like Ndebele vibe.
Ndebele vibes, South African heritage, also because it is crafted in South Africa.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we don't have a winery in Swaziland.
Okay.
From South Africa, so the togetherness, together all cultures, the cultural diversity and inclusion. So,
Oh, okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, I've had the pleasure of tasting the Shiraz. My goodness, this is to die for. This is really worth it. This is really worth it. I love something dry, not too sweet, and at the same time bearable. I don't really love to dash my wine, so I love something very gentle and still good for the palate. So yeah guys, please check it out. Where can we get these wines? Okay, I'm told you can get them at the Wine Boutique.
yes.
Yeah, where else?
We have it at the wine.
Okay, at the Wine Boutique in Ezulwini, Mandenga Lifestyle, right?
Yes.
Yeah guys, so please do check it out because this is this is so worth it.
Please give them a round of applause, Designer Z. And the earrings.
Red, white, naked bottle.
Naked bottle.
Yes. So I do white label for other people that I sell on like their brand, and then I do like wine and
Okay, please show us your wine.
Oh no, I'm not.
This is not yours.
I'm just drinking.
Oh, okay, where is your wine?
I sell online. Everything's online.
So you didn't think of bringing your wine?
Pardon?
You didn't think of bringing your wine to a wine event?
In future, definitely. I was selling at the wine boutique.
Oh,
We'll be selling green
You said
ocean
naked wine, so
naked bottle.
naked bottle.
oh, what inspired that name?
Lockdown.
Oh,
So yeah, with lockdown it became difficult to sell wine, and I had the opportunity.
so being a network marketer, I just always pride myself networking in every opportunity or at every event that I attend. So one of the things that I enjoyed with this event is that I got to meet new people, fellow entrepreneurs, women doing well for themselves. And yeah, I met this lady who is the founder of Naked Bottles, a wine line, if I were to put it that way. And I just learned a lot from interacting with her. And yeah, just knowing that there's people that are doing well for themselves, and you know, just how she started something out of the pandemic, you know, because she mentions that her wine was birthed during lockdown, and it was during a time when it was you were not allowed to sell alcohol. So I don't know the concept behind that, but she says that is how then they designed this wine that didn't have a name, that wasn't branded, because they didn't want to get in trouble should they be found that they were selling. That is hilarious, but that's a lesson right there to say you can literally turn a very bad situation to work for you, come up with a new business concept, and defy all odds and make it work, even though it is hard, or even though you are facing obstacles.
Hi guys, so look who I met. Okay.
Now look,
No, I don't want to. Anyway,
fun, babe.
this is my good sister, guys. Hi. The good thing about Eswatini is that Jesse 1 million, so we're bound to pamper each other.
Exactly. Family.
Oh, it's good to see you, girl.
Good to see you too, guys. Good to see you too.
So guys, this is what I tried. This is the lady behind this. Amazing. Please trust me, you know I wouldn't lie to you. So please tell us briefly about how you came about with this.
Well, I'm a farmer's child, and so the family.
So the networker in me was all out, I tell you guys. So I also got an opportunity to meet and learn from the founder of Scoops and Giggles. So Scoops and Giggles, it's ice cream made locally by this lady, and she was just sharing with me how the concept came about, how she was inspired to start this. And she mentions that she grew up in a farm, and she grew up, you know, seeing her father turn, you know, what they had at home into food, into business. And that is how then she came about with this concept of, let me just start my own ice cream line. And I was super excited to meet her and to try out the ice cream. I particularly tried out the passion flavor, and believe me, it is worth it.
Guys, so you're gonna be on YouTube on my channel.
Alright. Hey, what's up, YouTube channel? What's the channel name?
Yeah, just my page.
Alright. Shout out to Specific K there. Out here, this one's here.
She's
nice to
my
you.
makeup artist.
Alright.
What happened to
Yeah, and makeup.
Look at me now. Look at me now.
But alright, okay?
I don't even have makeup right now.
He's out here, very famous.
Yeah, right, guys. Like it's right. What? Please, guys, that's what you've been watching. Okay, okay? Please come for the girl. Girl, look at you. She was that girl, the Begatulile, and then later on, what was the queen?
How lovely is it, guys, that we are a very small country and you literally bump on people you know every time you go somewhere. I was so excited to see this lady, Kazile, who is a good friend from high school. I was just like, wow, girl, when last did I see you? So that's also one other positive thing about mingling with people. Hi, guys. Today's a Sunday morning, and I'm waking up with a pounding headache because my friend was had invited me to a wine tasting event last night. And my goodness, I don't remember the last time I drank so much wine and even forgot my name. But I'm thankful that I have friends that have my back and a husband that loves me, even though he forgot to remove my makeup for some odd reason. But yeah, I'm safe. I'm okay. I'm in bed. And I'm just hungry. That's the only thing. I'm hungry. Today I missed my morning routine because obviously everything was just like, off schedule. And yeah, but my body clock, isn't it weird, guys, that even at your most chemically off balance chemically off balance self, you still your body still knows the time you wake up. Like today I still woke up at 5 a.m. without an alarm. I woke up and I had forgotten where I was or how I got here. I looked on the other side of the bed and I saw my phone, both my phones charging, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm home. And then I immediately thought of my bag, my MacBook. Yo, guys, where's my bag? I need to find that I'm safe and sound at home. And yeah, but the point is, our body clocks are crazy, guys. Like, you still wake up at the same time even without an alarm because your body's used to this. Anyway, I'm going to wake up now and make breakfast. So on Sunday we have this culture of English breakfast in my household, and I'm so excited. I think I'm going to be making chicken livers, spicy chicken livers, because of the babalas. Because I just want something hot and something meaty. So I'm going to be making chicken livers. My husband told me our neighbors gave us archer. So guys, let me just share this with you. I'm not used to neighbors. I'm not used to a life of neighbors. When I started staying alone, when I was still working in corporate, I always tried to get houses where I was the only occupant in the compound. And that gave me problems, really, because that meant that my safety was always compromised, because then I was always just staying by myself. And people would notice, people do notice that in this compound, and yeah, they will see the car. It's just one car and all those things. So we had this compound where it was just me and my Maki. Pepi, shout out Pepi. So it was me and my Maki at that time, and we used to work together. And yeah, we used to also have 2 red cars, VW cars at that time. And yeah, so we just used to get a lot of burglars, like a lot of break-ins, because they knew that those were 2 girls that were staying here, and they worked together, and they would leave at the same time and come back at the same time, sometimes use one car. So we used to just get a whole lot of break-ins. But yeah, I also understand it's one brave thing you can do for yourself, really, as a woman, because I was staying at Mahalala and Babane. And yeah, even after my friend had warned me against it, I still went ahead and stayed in that house because it was a nice, newly built flat that I liked, But then I didn't stay long because they broke in, and I ended up moving out. So what I'm trying to share is that I'm not used to neighbors. I then stayed, in many other different houses that were still in just as own compound kind of situation. So now we stay in a compound where there's other people. So we are just so surprised, excuse me, by the kindness of the neighbors. We're just like, oh my goodness. So people are literally kind to us, like they're kind. So Makerane who gave us archer, so our neighbor's wife makes archer. So you know what archer is, Miss? Yeah, the cabbage, spicy cabbage and don. hot sauce. So yeah, I'm excited to just be making my levers with acha from our neighbor. Yeah, I enjoy her acha so much, guys. Anyway, yo, wase wangiphatha kahle indoda yami yangilalisa kamnandi. What is the reason yokulala couch? Is there a particular reason? Eh? No. What? Sometimes he goes out drinking and abuye alale kucela, but mina this one time mina nje ngihambile, he feels like asengilale couch because uzongivomitela, like since when? Wine.
If I acid.
Baby, I really need to wake up. Ngeke, I want to go and make breakfast. Lelengu vago. My head is pounding. Like, I don't remember the last time. And, you know, even when I was still drinking the wine, but like, sis, there's something wrong with this wine. Like, in Shlogo, a headache. I know wine has that thing, but
Don't try or what?
I ended up drinking the Chenin, is it Chenin Blanc, which is a white wine. But I know we were wine tasting. The white wine. Yo!
Well, white wine is for appetite.
Yeah, no. Nah, it's not for me. But Vere, why didn't I come back with the wine? Why didn't Jabu give me the wine? Did I come back with the wine glass?
Yeah.
Okay, but I was supposed to come back with the wine so that you taste it. In fact, I was supposed to buy it. I was supposed to buy both wines. I need to check it, cause Gune Shiraz, not the.
Is it nice?
Yes, both are nice. The Shiraz actually tastes like. Yeah, it's dry. It's red. It tastes like Baron. The Shiraz. Yeah, they both nice, and I'm just so proud of Jabu and just, you know, putting this brand out there, because that's the whole thing she's doing. She's managing their social media and just, you know, so it's nice. So I finally get to wake up, and this is the towel that my husband put for me to just in case I have to throw up or my makeup. Yo, this towel was not supposed to be here. You were supposed to remove my makeup. Isn't that what marriage is about? Anyway, so yeah, I'm just waking up now, guys, to go and start my day. Yeah, you know, it was a rough night when you have this thing next to your bed. Anyway, yeah. So guys, this nice chopping board was made by Accessories. I'm sure you've seen them. They make wooden gifts. So I just wanted to shout out today for this, because I think it's been 3 years now, if not 4. And the chopping board is still nice and it's still engraved. This was a Christmas gift I got for my family. And yeah, please check them out, and yeah, check out what they do. But yeah, I just wanted to shout out because this is one of the things I use almost every day, and yeah, for it to be this durable, it means they are doing a good job. Anyway, yeah, let me just go ahead and make breakfast. Yes, child, you pour until the Holy Spirit says stop. Honestly, I don't know. I don't use measurements. But I just know when to stop. You won't believe it. I don't really do the Siba's table kind of cooking like my husband, but yeah. So as I was saying, this is what we eat in my house. Something simple, something very simple and nice. Another one that we use is this Worcestershire. How do you pronounce this, guys? But I think it's Worcestershire sauce. But again, because I'm making very hot livers, I swear by those chillers, those hot sauce. Yeah, you don't come here when you are small baby like Bully. You don't, because it's so hot. Okay, let's honestly paprika this. What else? What's this? Salt and pepper. Okay. I don't want to forget what's in this. So then ground black pepper. That's what I'm putting in. I hope this is not going to be ridiculously hot.